Welcome. Today we are getting stuff done. I was still on this DIY journey and decided to dye some stuff black. This one didn't turn out black, but the other one was actually pretty dark, so still a win, I guess. My boyfriend got some shoes, so I decided to help him out by cleaning them, and I saw this hack on TikTok. Of course, TikTok. Everybody's talking about TikTok, but whatever. Anyways, I saw this hack where if you put cream developer, like for your hair, on the sole, that it could lighten it when you put it in the sun, and that's exactly what I did, and they turned out really nice. I'm planning to paint one of these because he has two pairs and they came out pretty nice, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this video is gonna be about me changing one, my headlights, and two, my oil on the car, and I'm not gonna quit until I do it. I have been trying to change the stupid headlights on this car for literally like 20 minutes, and my hand hurts, so I'm resting, but we'll see how it goes. If I'm being honest, my dad told me to ask the guy to help me, but I was like, fuck that, I'm doing it myself. So my dad was kind of explaining it wrong, but I don't know that you can see it. I did it. Oh yeah. Now I have to change the other one. Okay, bye. You can see how it looks after. Okay, so we changed both, and now we're gonna try it. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, yes. Thank you for the applause. Thank you. Let's just say I'm a mechanic now. So the next day I decided to take another task on, and that was changing my oil. Mind you that I did all of this with no previous experience and FaceTime call with my dad. So considering the facts, I think I did pretty well considering it was my first time and that I didn't die under that jack. Anyways, it was kind of hard because I originally took this to a mechanic where they did it themselves, and so it was really hard to take the notch off. I cannot tell you how many times I turned this stupid thing. I just used that EW4 or whatever the fuck, and it turned. I need to call my dad. Here I am, spilling the oil. But your girl did that. Finished with the oil. I ended up finishing the oil change, and I was on FaceTime with my dad, so I couldn't really film, but got back home, started cleaning, took a shower, and yeah, I pretty much just got everything ready and organized in the meantime for me to go to LA. And for the rest of this day I kind of just chilled, but I really felt accomplished, and this whole time was right after I had dropped off my boyfriend, and so I got some stuff done in the meantime. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I'll show you guys what I do at school and my art stuff. So yeah, excited for that. See you next week. Bye.